Hey guys, it's Yaya and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some carrot oil. I'm so excited to do this. I have been wanting to do it for a while now. I'm using organic carrots that I got from the supermarket, and I'm just going to rinse those off. Now it is up to you if you want to keep the skin or not, but being that this is organic, even still, I want to get rid of any dirt that may be left behind. You can definitely minimize waste by reusing the skin if you like. Alright, so I'm just going to dry these carrots off, and I'm going to go ahead and start to shred them. I want these in small pieces so I can extract as much of the goodness out of this carrot as possible. I don't really think there's a way to extract carrot oil. I don't think carrots really have, I guess, oil, but I'm trying to get the nutrients, as much nutrients out of these soft pieces as I possibly can. So in order to actually make carrot oil, you have to infuse another oil to get the nutrients from the carrot. So I'm adding coconut oil and olive oil. The reason I didn't use solely coconut oil is because it solidifies in the cold, and I want to make sure that this liquid stayed liquid. As always, all measurements will be down in the description box below. I did use about 192 grams of the shredded carrot. To that I added coconut oil and olive oil, and I made sure it was completely submerging the carrot pieces because I want to get as much nutrients out of this carrot as possible. There's several ways to do it. I decided to add my carrots to a heat resistant container and then put it into a pot of hot water. This will help speed up the process of extracting all of the yummy nutrients from the carrot pieces. Now, some people like to do it the cold way where they just add the oil, let it sit for 2 weeks. I kind of sped up that process, okay? Then I just shredded all the goodness into another container. You are more than welcome to keep the shredded pieces for another time if you prefer. You can also use a cheesecloth to extract as much of the goodness out of here as possible. I didn't have a cheesecloth with me today, so I just used the strainer. Alright, so that's basically it. You have your carrot oil now. Now, you can also strain this a second or third time to make sure all of the pieces are out, but I actually don't mind the really goodness that's left in there, so I want to keep as much as possible. Now I'm just measuring the liquid that I got because I wanted to see how much it would yield, and I think I got 205 grams of this liquid with 111 grams of coconut oil and 73 grams of olive oil. After all of my calculations, 21 grams came from the carrot extract. I think that's pretty decent. So to just boost this up even more, I'm adding vitamin E and my essential oils. I think I use tea tree and lavender, but you can use whatever you prefer. Alright, you guys, that's it. That is your carrot oil. I'm so excited I got a chance to make this. My mother used to use carrot oil in my hair all the time as a young child to help my hair grow, so I'm glad I got a chance to make this myself finally. As you can see, the neck of my container is super small, so I'm using a turkey base injector to get it in here. If you have one of those lying around your house, it is very useful, you guys, so don't laugh at me, okay? So yeah, I'm so happy that I got a chance to make this carrot oil. Carrot oil is super beneficial for the hair. If you're looking for mega growth, fast growth, go for the carrot oil, okay? It's also really great for skin care. If you have any kind of eczema or any kind of dry skin in general, carrot oil is the way to go. So what I'm doing for part 2 is I'm going to turn this into carrot oil cream because I want to see if I can make a carrot oil cream that will be great for the scalp and also great for the body. So I'm just super excited for you guys to see it. So please like, subscribe, share this video if you like it. Go follow me on Instagram and all that good stuff to keep up with me, Yaya, and I will see you guys in the next video. I really hope you enjoyed this one. Bye.
Make you smile.